This is the Pop Girls. The sister act, I'm joking. And I'm a Candy Pop.
I am Cutie Runner.
I'm Berries.
I am Pooga.
And together we're the sister doggies. The Cuzzy Wolf is what we call the Cuzzy Wolf because we're cousins. The Cuzzy Wolf. Ready? Cuzzy Wolf. Cuzzy Wolf.
Wait.
Do it together. 3, 2, 1. Cuzzy Wolf. Cuzzy Wolf. And today we'll be doing our teddy diary. So we're going to zoom in on the teddies and you guys can see this. Whoa. Move out the way. Lucy, move out the way. Sit at the side. Scene 1. No, come here. Scene 1. Where the puppies meet up. I'll be on camera first. Sweetie, you are so ready to go and meet some friends at the park.
Sweetie, you are so ready to go to the park and meet some
That's
friends.
the wall, guys. I'm so happy I'm meeting a friend today.
I feel so awesome. I'm meeting a friend today.
Hi. Wait, put her on camera. You're not on camera. Hi.
Would you like to be my friend?
Wait, we say it together. 3, 2, 1.
Would you like to be my friend? Yes. My name's Pooga and yours is
Berries. Come on, I'll give you a piggyback to the park.
Ooh, because I'm only 1 and you're 2.
Scene 2.
She's at 2.
No, not yet. Scene 2. The puppies at the park. Let's go in the swings. I'm going on the slide. Scene 3. Excited puppies have to split up. This is only chapter 1, guys. Just remember, there'll be 5 chapters in total. Sweetie, it's time to go.
Sweetie, it's time to go.
Oh, but we're having so much fun. Take your earrings out and you can go and play some more.
Take your earring out because it might hurt when you play.
Let's play piggyback races. No, you're going to go on my back. Woo! We win! We win!
Mine. Oh.
Woo!
Wait.
I'll need to video that. Jump up. Okay, that's enough jumping. Come on, it's time to go for real this time. No, they get their earrings. Off the camera. No, we're just like walking with this. We're in its mouth. So, scene 5. This is the last scene. The puppies meet up again. It's the disco.
I've got to look glamorous. Only one of my friends going to be there. It's going to be... Around the disco. Only Poofo will be there. You're not Poofo. You're Barrett. Only Poofo will be there, Mommy.
No, there's no girl called Poofo.
But only Barry will be there.
It doesn't matter. They're your best friend.
Yay!
Let's dance. Thank you for watching the Puppy Diaries.
Bye.
Lucy, no. We have something else to say. In the next episode, they will meet up again and play more.
Goodbye, guys.
See ya.
See ya.